the detail lounge. This is where you can come and wash your car indoors, safe. Nice. We got a sim room here. All right. Area, products for sale. You got the STO. They're about to launch a magazine. It's going to be on the cover. So these are the wash bays, right? It captures all the water, and I guess there's a drain under the bottom. Right. Got a few cars on display. So this is the grand opening. Got a few cars on display. Got a few audio companies out here. Now this Tesla sound pretty good. It's got an 8. This company's out of California. They drove down for the event. Let's go outside real quick. So they got Chick-fil-A out, a couple of vendors. They got Tesla out. So the Tesla's doing the audio or the holiday routine. That's been out for a while now. I asked them what a Cybertruck was. It's my buddy's Corvette. Supras. So a bunch of Supras and GTRs out here. Mobile tire shop. They got the Porsche out. Yeah, man, this is a really dope, innovative idea. Washing the climate-controlled environment, safe environment. This could potentially grow the car scene, build some great connections. But yeah, stay tuned to the channel, man. We back. See y'all in the next one.